Major news, like the Biden administration just came out with some piece of legislation or some bill or something that is basically bearish for the semiconductors. So that's why you see SOXS popping right here. You see SOXO went up with the market. I mean, the market was just bullish today, but look, dumping now here. Check out NVIDIA, dumped after hours all the way down to 405. AMD dumped all the way down to 107. So I mean, depending on how far they keep selling off, which I would expect them to sell off at least a little bit into tomorrow, could be a decent play to the downside off the open. And also looking further out could actually be a dip buy opportunity. You know what I mean? You can get back in at a decent price. And I mean, TSM, same thing. But other than that, bro, the market's just been super bullish. I mean, BABA traded sideways yesterday after gapping up. So if the market does decide to look weak and we start to fade, we could possibly fill in the gap. That looks like a good opportunity. I mean, NEO, all these small EV companies and all that, or these growth stocks are starting to wake up and rip as long as we stay bullish. I mean, I've been saying Meta to 300 came within like $10 of it and on its way back. But I've been saying that for months. They just upgraded it a couple of days ago. Not to toot my own horn or nothing. I mean, Google caught a piece of that sell-off with the AI semiconductor bearish news. Just growth plays ripping. Like a Palantir, I did get out of AI because this bill is going to affect some AI companies as well because, semiconductors and all that have to do with AI and tech in general. So if this bill ends up being crucial, it could affect AI plays as well. FYI, Carvana still ripping higher. This thing I briefed on yesterday just kept trending on up. Actually found some support above $2 now. It's definitely interesting if the market doesn't sell off tomorrow. Soundhound grinding up damn near to the high, but whatever. We did maintain a higher low. If the market is bullish, I would expect this thing to keep running. Now this thing faded. Hey, they all can't run. And if you know what you're doing, you could actually still make money on this on the way down. So this thing kept running again. I briefed on it on my late night recaps. And look, we freaking went up during pre-market, after hours, came back down to that support that I drew. Cracked it for a second, but regained it quickly. Proceeded to trend up higher. So keep your eye on this one as well. That's a ticker symbol POAI. MO, Altria Group, grinding up still. Actually added more of this in my long term, trying to build out my dividend plays. These growth tech stocks, if the market continues to look bullish like this, I believe they have the most to gain. So you're talking about like your SoFis, your Palantirs, your Lucid, your ChargePoint, because ChargePoint is tied right in with the EVs. Then, also crypto has been hot lately. So now we have to start thinking about your Riots, your Maras, your Hut 8. All these things are going to run, especially if crypto stays hot. I am one that likes to fade the rips, but, when it's a buy the dip mentality market, it's kind of hard to navigate. But sometimes you just trade with the trend, even if the trend is just straight basic dip buying to the upside. I think that's where I get thrown off at. I'm always looking for, a challenge in the markets when sometimes there is none. It's just as simple as buy the dip and get out the way. But anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Thought I'd drop you another late night recap. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Hit the bell or get the hell over to my Patreon and or Discord to catch that daily morning watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace. But bro, just look how bullish this is. My God, bro, that's scary. I must say, that's scarily bullish. And seeing a run up like that leaves me no choice but to believe that we actually fade and give some back either after hours, which we're already doing, which I did predict actually at the end of day, especially near the 10 minutes of terror, when I was live streaming, I said the 436 put, swing them overnight. And look where we're trading at, 435.50. So they would have been in the money and going in the right direction. FYI. Know what I mean? But anyways, holla at your boy. Peace.